In production, you'll need to use API-based integration to keep your org data up to date. Start by generating an API token. Go to API tokens, click Generate New Token. This creates a new token that you can copy and use in your integrations. To do this, we'll first need a web trigger. The command to do this is forge web trigger. So if you copy this and run it against your installation, which I'll show you here, pick update org data, and you'll get a URL that you can use in all of your automations. In order to use this, we'll need the API token. So we'll copy the sample request. I have one that has a little bit more information, so let me copy that in. And we'll also need to add the bearer. To do that, we'll go back to our API token and copy it. We can paste it in here and run the call. Note that every call to a web trigger currently returns a status 424. This is a known issue with Forge. So in order to check the actual error status, go back to the API tokens page and we'll refresh. And we can look at the current execution. So you can see that it was a success. If there were an error, you would see an error here and you can click to see what's happened. Now that the data is in place, we can test it. It's always a good idea to test the queries when you're integrating new data for the first time. Once the flow is working, you can set this to update at whatever cadence you feel is appropriate.